Hello, I am Marina. It makes me very happy that you are here, as it means that you have already made your first step to become healthier and fitter, and you have come to the right place. Get ready to change your mindset from always on diet to your new healthy nutrition lifestyle, and you will be amazed at how easy it is to lose fat and become fitter, produce more energy during your lifestyle and during workout, feel more and always happy, and how easy and enjoyable it is to keep it forever. As a certified fitness trainer and nutrition advisor, I will help you to set realistic goals and transform your health and your life. And I will help you to enjoy along the way. Remember, this is not a diet. Diet is something temporary. This is healthy nutrition lifestyle, which will help you to create healthy habits and will stay with you forever. My main goal is to show you that healthy food is not just boiled eggs or chicken breast. Healthy food is full of different cuisines and thousands of different recipes. You can still enjoy your favorite food, only what you need to know just which time, which kind of food better to get. We are what we eat. This is my main life quote. That's why I insist you to cook at home, as I'm confident that no one else takes care about your health more than you. When you cook at home, you can trust what ingredients you are using, which olives and quantity of olives you are adding to food when it's necessary, which sauces you will use for dressing salads, which percentage of fat you will choose for dairy products, which kind of meat or fish you will choose for cooking. In the same time, I will teach you and give you real example how to choose products in the market and how to read the ingredients list to avoid trans fat, saturated fat, and others unhealthy artificial ingredients. I know sometimes you cannot avoid order from restaurant. Don't worry. I will show you how to make the best healthy choice and which details to mention before to make your order. Remember, we are what we eat. So why not to make our life a bowl of cherries? Let's start our easy, healthy, delicious and enjoyable nutrition lifestyle right now.